We went through a couple hurricanes and it was nowhere near as bad as this.
Heavy rain hit northern New Hampshire, where locals saw a Gorham water truck swept away and floated through town. That truck now being dug out from under a bridge.
Parking lot washed away, and that truck, and as well as maybe some others, and a couple propane tanks were washed into the river.
All in-town roads are back open, but Chief Cloutier says they're still assessing the damage. With road washouts, flooded basements, even the Androscoggin Golf Course now has a river flowing through it.
Pretty severe damage across town as far as roads and washouts and gullies and culverts.
The river itself has cut in at least 30, 40 feet. This house was not a riverfront house.
The Peabody River got so high it took away a third of this house on Glen Road, one of several Gorham homes that are structurally compromised, now being held up by support beams put in today.
This whole embankment had chain link fences and rocks to be able to support the land. It just peeled right back like it was paper.
Just wild scenes from Gorham today. Luckily, nobody was hurt because of the rain and the flooding. As for the truck that they are still trying to get out behind me, they've been working on that all day. They hope to be able to get the truck out sometime by today. But we're live here in Gorham. Troy Lynch, WMUR News 9.